Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dumpster, hit the dumpster. I got all I need. No, I ain't got
My name is Cassie. I hope you're having a good day or had a good day wherever you may be in this world. Today I am doing a makeup look on this look right here using this palette right here. I just picked it up from the mail today. I really do enjoy this look. I have blue mascara on my bottom lash line. I'm wearing a different pair of lashes. I have yellow on my waterline. It's just this palette brings the creativity out of everybody. I really do love this look. So if you would like to see how I got this look right here, then just keep on watching. Have you subscribed? Because you should, and it's free. And I upload twice a week, once on Wednesdays and once on Sundays. So you should definitely subscribe to get my videos weekly. But we're going to jump right into the unboxing of this. It came in a rather larger box. It came in this box right here with super cute wrapping paper, which I hate throwing it away, but maybe I'll keep it, maybe I won't. But this palette is wrapped in a blue carton like this, and then when you open it, you've got the amazing blue blood. And when you open this, you've got it here. Didn't want to open. Ta-da! If you want to see the eyeshadows that I used and how I got this look, then seriously, keep on watching because it's about to come. We're going to prime our lids by using the Tarte Shape Tape, and we're going to be blending it out with the Jeffree Star and Morphe sponge, the mini one. It works really well. Too excited to use this palette, it's just so beautiful. To start off the look, we're using the Morphe M505 brush, and I'm cold and blue-blooded all along the crease. You can be as messy as you want because you're going back in to blend it all out as well, and you're going to cut the outer corner like usual. If you just notice, I'm kind of just placing the color there, mainly focusing in my crease and above my crease because what's on my lid is going to end up getting covered. So just do it as precise as you want or as messy as you want. Here I'm just showing you blending back and forth. Here I'm using my Morphe E18 brush and the beautiful shade Blue Monday, and I'm focusing this right on my outer corner. As you'll tell kind of later on in the video, I show you that I'm going all over my lid, kind of, sort of, not higher than my crease, and I'm also blending it out with the 505 brush, but I'm kind of defining the outer corner and leaving the inner corner kind of blank because we're going to cut the crease with concealer. So I definitely focus it with a smaller brush so that way I'm able to control where I want the shadow. Again, taking the Morphe M505 brush, we're going to be using this brush a lot to blend out this entire look. Again, I'm using the E18 brush from Morphe, and I'm using the shades Blue Monday and Undertaker. The Undertaker is kind of just a deeper blue. It is so beautiful. Blending it out, and I'm just defining that outer corner. Taking the Tarte Shape Tape again, and I'm cutting my crease. I literally have, I swear, like the most hooded eyes, and I have like extra skin on my eyes, so I have such a hard time doing a cut crease. So I'm just eyeballing it, literally, like I just am eyeballing it. My usual technique doesn't work for me. It just makes it messy. So yeah. I'm taking the beautiful shade Entitled and putting that from the outer corner of where I cut my crease. So the ending of where I cut my crease, and then putting Cullinan on the beginning, my inner corner. And I will be blending these both together and blending them out. And taking that shade Undertaker with my E18 brush again. This is like the main brush that I'm using. And I'm defining my crease even more, as well as my outer corner, so that way all of the shimmer shades and the matte shades can all blend together. Again, the 505 brush with the shade Blue Blood and blend everything out. Taking a Neutrogena makeup wipe, and I'm cutting that outer corner, if you will. Just leave a little bit blank down the bottom so you can connect your bottom lash line to your top lash line. Then we're taking E18 and Undertaker and defining, and the shade Blue Blood as well, but we're defining the outer corner. This is literally just back and forth the entire time. Using coloring again with my finger. Using my finger just makes it pop. I don't spray my finger or brush or anything like that. And using Entitled just to make it pop even more than what it already does. Truthfully, I like the look like this, but you know, we gotta finish it up just a little bit. So you can totally keep it like this. I love the way this looks, but I'm going to zoom you in and we're going to go finish up the bottom lash line. I'm now taking the e.l.f. flat liner brush and taking the shade Blue Monday and lining my entire waterline. I'm not going too crazy at all. Taking the ColourPop yellow eyeliner and putting that in my waterline. Kind of just wanted to give it a little bit of a pop of color beside the blue. And then we're going to take a Luxie 121 mini tapered brush and using the shade Blue Blood and blending out the bottom lash line. Just to make everything blend together. The top of your eye and the bottom of your eye. And then taking my Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush, we're using Culligan for the inner corner and then going over top with Ice Tray. So that way it's kind of like more of a blue color than it is icy. And using Cullinan underneath my brow bone. Using my Kiko Milano mascara in blue, I am going to put that on my lower lash line eyelashes, because I don't want blue all over my false eyelashes. If this video is too fast for you, just put it in the playback speed slow and enjoy. Okay, so that is my Blue Blood palette tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I wanted to do a mix of voiceover and me being here present, mainly because I just wanted to talk about the Blue Blood palette. I feel like this is such a different launch because it was just, I don't even know. It was just so amazing, and I was able to be there when Lipstick Nick, she used the palette for the first time. If you didn't know, I did go to Behind the Brush Tour. I will leave a card up above. If you're wondering the lipstick that I am wearing his liquid lipstick in the shade I'm Nude with a holographic lip gloss on top. So I wanted something that wasn't too pink or any really color. This is kind of just like a neutral and very skin tone like. I was going to leave my bottom lash line blank, but I decided against it just because I needed to tie it in somehow, but it's not as smoked out as it usually is. I am wearing a brand new pair of lashes. All of that information will be down below. Yeah, I used blue mascara. You know, you always, you know, you have that product in your bin or in your makeup collection where you're like, I never really use this, but I'm gonna need it one day, and that's me with the blue mascara because it definitely tied in the look. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Definitely looks good. I love it. I even love the yellow in the waterline. I just feel like it gives it a different approach, kind of like you can't really see how yellow it is, but you can notice that there is a color there besides from the blue. I had fun creating it. I love the palette. Oh my gosh, I love the way the colors work and everything, the way that it blends. I'm like obsessed with this look, and it sucks because it's like, I always say it, but every time I go outside of my comfort zone, I love my looks, but I don't like to go outside of my comfort zone often. Anyways, please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. I hope that you either recreate it or I hope that you buy the Blue Blood or something. I don't know. Anyways, check the description box down below if I forgot to mention anything in this video. And yeah, again, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one.